All right, guys. Hi, good morning. Welcome to the week of September 19th to the 23rd. I have a little bit of information worked out ahead for you, but all of your due dates are always going to be on Friday. So if you want to work ahead, you're more than welcome, but obviously you don't have to. I'll try to stay about 2 weeks ahead for you. So you can kind of see what we've got going on for this week again as we get used to this daily agenda. So we have our law of demand video and questions, equilibrium point video and questions. Those are going to be very similar. Short video, a handful of questions. We're then going to have this thing called a baseball discussion. So for those of you that are going to get involved with DECA, this baseball discussion is kind of a little introduction to what we're going to be doing in role plays, but it's basically a problem solving scenario. You guys are going to be doing that. It's in a breakout session. You all have edit privileges. And so I actually did that on purpose so you can see what some of your classmates have shared. I'm sure some of you are going to do a fantastic job with that. Again, we have one of our study guides, 100% optional. No grade, no positive, no negative, just a little study guide for you. And then, of course, we have our Unit 2 test, which is going to be an open note test for you again. One quick reminder as we're getting used to everything again is that here we are over in our Schoology page, and a quick reminder for you that you can access that weekly agenda. If you've gotten behind on any of your work, all of your current and past weeks, you're going to be available to access those so that you can find them. And also just a quick reminder that you can always access our calendar for this class right up here in the top right-hand corner, and then you can see when the assignments were assigned and where everything is going to be for you. If you have any questions for me, please let me know. I hope that your school year is going well so far. Take care.